He don't know what he's doing.
Finally back home. Car fared really good. No issues really to speak of. We had an issue with the brakes. No big deal there. As you guys know, we hit a road gator is what we call them. Just a tire, a retread in the road. And you can see it, you know, it messed things up pretty good, but it's something that we absolutely can fix. And at some point we're gonna go ahead and address for you guys, and I'll show you how to fix stuff like this. This is a very simple fix. You can do it in your driveway, no big deal. And that's the way we like to do things. We like to keep a budget, we like to keep it real, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix this, but I don't think we're gonna fix it right now. And we're gonna start on the project car, and we're probably gonna put this thing up for a little while. Then we'll come back and get started on it. A few little issues here and there, no big deal. We're gonna walk around here. The kids are outside playing, and no need in making them stop so that I can make a video. So I tell you what, let's go out here to the project car. Let's finish this up. First off though, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who come out. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. You know, especially you guys that come from, I mean, Northern Michigan, Ohio. I mean, it's crazy. I just want to say thank you all for coming out and supporting Foxcast, and, you know, ultimately myself too. As you can see, you know, myself and Foxcast are not in any sort of competition. We're here to help you guys. We're here to educate the community. We're here to teach people, and we are also here to learn. If you're new to the channel, if you just subscribed, it's pretty much Fox Bodies only. That's about what we do. We have a Terminator and we do other Mustang content, but for the most part, this is a Fox Body channel. On my channel, we try to keep it really budget, and we try to see what you can do with your own hands. You know, create something beautiful with your own hands. But it's okay if you don't have the ability, you have the money and you can spend it, then by all means pay somebody to do it. I'm not going to ridicule you for paying somebody to do the work for you. It's okay, guys, it's all right. But I do encourage you to get out there and do the work yourself. All right, guys, we are about to take the Cobra over to my mom's house. We're gonna store it over there. And yes, as you can tell, I'm a little sick today, so I won't be doing much talking, but hopefully I can give you a little bit to look at least on the way. Beautiful land out here, by the way. Love it. So look at that. Got my mom and stepdad's Cobra out here, so Yellow Wolf will be in good company, to say the least, guys. Go ahead and get this thing backed up here, and we'll pick back up in a few minutes. All right, this is the location for Yellow Wolf for now. Like I said, we are over at my mom's house, my stepdad's house, and that is their 01 Cobra. That's my 04 Cobra. Take a couple pictures, put it on Instagram for you guys. Look at that, is that not beautiful? So if you see that picture on Instagram, now you know where it's at. I was meant to walk this road. Yeah, that's right. we're about to do it, guys. As you know, we have the Cobra over at my mom's. It's all stored, looking good. So now it is time to get the project car pulled around, and today all we're gonna do is pressure wash it, knock a lot of the dirt off of it, and let it dry overnight. And tomorrow, the FOXBODY is gonna go away, and we're gonna pull the project car in, take the wheels off, put it on jack stands, and start the process. Right now, we have Aubrey driving the golf cart, which could be a bad combination. She's got her co-pilot over here, Memphis, and I'm going to attempt to drive the car over there. Now, we know the golf cart will pull the car no problems, but she's never pulled anybody, and I don't know how this is gonna go. So how about I just sit you guys right there, and let's see how this goes. There's no brakes on the car at all, like any, so that was kind of sketchy, but overall, no big deal. All right, so we got the car up here. Now let's go up here, take a look at it, see what we got. So first off, I am sure all my neighbors are ecstatic about this thing sitting here, but it's not gonna be here very long. We're gonna pressure wash this thing off, just try to wash it, clean it up as best as possible, because we're pretty much going to start the body work and painting process like almost immediately. So we really need to get on this thing and get it clean. So first impressions, it's not too bad. We've already looked at the car a few times, and we already know this thing is not that bad. There's been some things cut here and there on the car. There's a little bit of body work that needs to be done, but overall, I think it is a very solid car, and I think we can do this. This is not going to be a show car. It's not the point of this. What we're gonna do with this car is take our hands and make something presentable, something drivable, something that most anybody will be proud of to own. And we're gonna do it for very little money, hopefully. That's the plan anyway. So we'll see how it all works out. One more time, I'll show you guys the interior. Yes, it is absolutely filthy, but most everything is there. So that's the important thing here. There's gonna be some stuff that we have to get, but as you guys know, my buddy Aaron hooked us up with the back seats. So right now the plan is to straighten the bodywork out on the car, get the Cobra body kit on it, and we'll probably run the Celine side skirts on it for right this second. Then once we get the bodywork done, all we're gonna do is slap some paint, some clear coat on this thing. We're gonna obviously do the jams. We're gonna take the fenders off, spray back here. We're gonna spray the engine bay. We're gonna make this thing look as good as possible. And then we're gonna put the car away. At that point, we're gonna just wait. We're gonna save our pennies, and we're going to try to buy a running engine transmission combo for the car and throw it in here. If that does not pan out, we do have an engine and transmission out of the old Ford truck that we can put in here. So not sure yet exactly what we're gonna do, but those are our options anyway, guys. And I'm not gonna bore you to death with this thing anymore. I'm gonna go ahead, start pressure washing this thing, clean it up, and see what we really have. All right, guys, Memphis says she wants to do the honors, so we're gonna let her take the first spray of the car.
Yeah. All right. Hold on.
What is it?
After just kind of washing everything down, looks pretty good. Like I told you guys, I knew that this was beat up over here. I'm not too concerned about that. Probably just hammer it back, weld this back, and just touch it up. You know, like I told you, we're not trying to make a show car out of this, but you know, we want it to look decent. So take some time with it, see what we can do. The radiator support looks, you know, okay. It's been up, but I think we can fix that. If not, we can always cut it out, put another one in, but I'll probably just fix that, straighten it out. Well, all right, guys, I hope you're as excited as I am. I'm probably too excited about this car, and I'm probably overlooking a lot of issues that are bound to pop up, I'm sure. But for right now, it looks pretty good. I've noticed a few things, but I think we can work through them, no issue. Yep. That sucks. Woke up today to see this. Rain. I had the project car all washed, trying to let it dry out overnight. As you can see, that's not gonna happen. And the Retro Fox was just clean and ready to go. I was gonna go store it, but as you can see, she's gonna get wet and nasty. So it is what it is, guys. Let's go ahead and get on the road. All right, guys, it is that time. We are about to push the People's Fox into the garage. You gonna help, Memphis? Yeah. All right, let's get started. All right, that's it. This is our new home for a while. Hopefully until we get some paint on it. We're gonna start on the body kit before too long. And that's it, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching.